J.K. Rowling once wrote, "It is our choices, Harry, that show what we truly are, far more than our abilities." Every day, we stand at a crossroads between doubt and courage, comfort and growth, fear and action. Our abilities may open doors, but it is our choices that determine which ones we walk through. Talent alone is just potential. It's the decisions we make that breathe life into our dreams. When we choose persistence over surrender, kindness over indifference, or courage over fear, we reveal the essence of who we are. Think of life as a blank parchment, and every choice is an ink stroke shaping your story. A brilliant mind may invent, but only a bold heart dares to create. A skilled hand may paint, but only a passionate soul reveals truth in color. Your abilities are tools, but your choices are the masterpiece. When faced with hardship, do you retreat or rise? When given power, do you hoard or uplift? These moments define you. So ask yourself, what do my choices say about me? Do they whisper of hesitation or roar with purpose? The world remembers not what you could do, but what you did with what you had. Choose wisely, for each decision etches your legacy into eternity.